Hi, I'm Paul with William Standen. Today we're going to show you how to adjust a cabinet door. As you can see, this cabinet door is misaligned. Start off by removing the hinge cap. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver. You can release the hinge clip screws, top and bottom. This will allow the hinge to move up and down. Retighten. Repeat the same steps at the top. After the first adjustment, you can see there's still a slight difference in height. To fix this, all we have to do is simply turn the front screw clockwise to go right, counterclockwise to go left. If you find one corner of the door is sticking out, simply turn the back screw clockwise to pull it back. After both adjustments are made, you can see that the gap is consistent. Once the door is realigned, reinstall the hinge covers. And that is how you realign a cabinet door.